Okay, it took me quite a while to get this set up because Facebook's made quite a few changes to the way ads are made and managed. That's okay because I've got it figured out. There is a more advanced method I want to show you later, but this is just how you get a straightforward ad created and do some quote unquote tricks to make sure that you get the lowest cost ad that has the best effect. So bear with me as we go through this, and then afterwards, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so to run an ad, you're going to get to the ads tab. You'll click on create a new ad. It might ask you to continue an ad, just say start over, create new campaign. You're going to go to traffic. And then I was going to show you something advanced with the split test, but I've decided I'm going to make a different video for that because they've made some changes. So we're just going to click on continue. And then you build this ad really similar to what you've done before. So the difference is that you're on the business manager page now. I adjusted your audience to be more correct. So you want to use this Todd Blackburn full district. And this is going to... I have something set up called the Facebook Pixel on the website. People that visit the website and also fit the spectrum of being a likely voter are going to be identified through the Facebook Pixel. So we'll be able to do more stuff with that. So you want to run ads as it is right now, just straightforward. You want to start with a daily budget. $20 is a good daily budget. I would set an end date and a start date. And generally speaking, you want to do about a week to start with, because we'll come back and we'll make adjustments to your ad based on that week. And I'll also be able to help you get your ad spend lower. But that's coming in another video. Do your bidding at $1 per click as your max bid. And then continue on to actually building your ad. Make sure that you're under where it says Facebook page. Make sure that you're under the right page. So T Blackburn 4D77, Todd Blackburn. This will probably look a little different on yours because I have so many Facebook pages attached to my account. But if you keep going forward, now you get an option on a carousel, single image, video, etc. Start with the single image, and you want to do this 6 ads with 1 image in each, no extra cost. The experts say you want to do 12, but we're going to do 6 because it's free. Which actually, that's kind of funny because it wouldn't cost you anyways. Let's click the next one and make sure it's working like I think it should. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you just click your 6 images. So that's 5, 6. Confirm. This is what I was talking about. We'll come back to this later. So we're just you select your 6 images, and then you come down and you're going to do a website. You'll fill in the text that will show up under your ad, and you'll get a preview because you've verified your identity and done all that. And I'll try to do that myself. But you fill out your text, you put your link to your web address, and take this part out, and then you create a headline. learn more is usually good enough. And then you click confirm, and that should get your ad running. Now, I'll make another video with the advanced concepts of the split test and how that can lower your ad spend. But like I said, they made some changes, so I'll have to go back and figure out what has to be different. So let me know if you have any questions. I went through this process like 4 times because of the changes they made, so hopefully I didn't skip anything important or make it too confusing.